Welcome to Bright Star Kingdom.
Here are 6 different types of vegetables with their seed, flower, and stem. Vegetables come in all shapes and colors. What are vegetables? Vegetables are part of plants that are consumed by humans or other animals as food. The original meaning is still commonly used and is applied to plants collectively to refer to all edible plant matter, including flowers, fruits, stems, leaves, roots, and seeds. 6 different types of vegetables with flower, fruit, stem, leaf, root and seed. Cruciferous vegetables are a group of veggies known for their health benefits. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These vegetables have a unique, sometimes bitter taste and are part of the cabbage family. Eating them regularly can help support a healthy diet and reduce the risk of certain diseases. Examples include broccoli and cauliflower. Fruiting vegetables are plants that produce edible parts that are botanically classified as fruits. They develop from the flowering part of the plant and contain seeds. Despite being fruits, they are commonly used as vegetables in cooking. They add flavor and nutrition to dishes. Examples include tomatoes, bell peppers, eggplant and cucumbers. Stem vegetables are plants where the edible part is the stem or stalk. Known for its tender, flavorful stalks. They provide important nutrients and are often used in soups, salads, and stir-fries. These vegetables are harvested for their stems, which are typically rich in fiber and vitamins. Examples include asparagus, bamboo shoot, and celery. Leafy greens are vegetables with edible leaves, often rich in vitamins and minerals. They are typically used in salads, sandwiches, and as side dishes. Leafy greens are known for their high content of antioxidants and fiber. They can be eaten raw or cooked, and they contribute to a healthy diet. Examples include spinach, kale, and lettuce. Root vegetables are vegetables that grow underground and store energy in their roots. They are often rich in nutrients and can be eaten raw or cooked. Root vegetables come in various colors and flavors, adding variety to meals. They are known for their hearty texture and natural sweetness. Examples include carrots, beets, and radishes. A seed is a small, hard part of a plant that can grow into a new plant. In vegetables, seeds are the starting point for growing crops like carrots, peppers, and peas. They contain all the necessary nutrients and instructions for the plant to begin growing. Once planted in soil and given water, seeds sprout and develop into vegetables. Each type of vegetable has its own unique seed that helps it grow into a specific kind of plant. Thanks for watching Bright Star Kingdom. Subscribe, like and share with friend and family.